In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save any web page as a PDF in Google Chrome, easily and efficiently. Whether you're a student needing to save research articles or simply wanting to archive a web page for offline reading, this method is straightforward and incredibly useful. First, you'll need to open Google Chrome on your computer. Once you have the browser open, navigate to the web page you'd like to save as a PDF. It could be an article, a tutorial, or any online resource that you find important and want to keep for future reference. Once you're on the desired page, move your cursor to the top right corner of the Chrome window, where you'll find a vertical set of 3 dots. This icon represents the More Options menu. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with a variety of choices. From this menu, you'll need to select the option labeled Print. Alternatively, you can use the quick keyboard shortcut by pressing Ctrl+P on a Windows PC or Command+P on a Mac. This will open the Print Preview window. Here in the Print Preview, you'll see that the default destination is your connected printer. What we want to do instead is save the page as a PDF, so you'll need to look for the Destination section. You will see a button next to it that currently has the printer name or just says Printer. Click on this button and a list of options will appear. Within this list, search for and select the option that reads Save as PDF. Once selected, the preview window should update to reflect exactly what your web page will look like saved as a PDF. Take a moment to check the layout, and if needed, adjust the margins, orientation, and scale to better fit your needs. You can usually find these settings in the left sidebar, where additional preferences are displayed. After confirming that everything looks good, click the Save button, usually located on the top left or bottom right of the window. You will be prompted to choose a location on your computer where you'd like to save this PDF file. Give your file a recognizable name so you can easily find it later. Click Save once more, and voila! You have your web page saved as a PDF document on your local machine. This method keeps the original content and formatting intact, making it a great way to preserve information from the web. Whether you need it for work, education, or personal projects, having a PDF version of a web page can ensure you always have access to the information you need, regardless of internet connectivity. Thank you for tuning in today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and can see just how easy it is to save web pages as PDFs using Google Chrome. Be sure to subscribe for more useful tech tips and tricks. Have a great day.